Hello everyone, welcome to Cocktails at Home. Today, let's make an old fashioned. Here's everything you need. An old school rye whiskey, some Angostura bitters and a spoonful of sugar, bubbly water of your choice, an orange and super fancy cherries. Let's get started. We're going to make this one right in the glass. Start with a little bit of sugar, Angostura bitters 4 dashes, just a splash of soda. Muddle that mixture real good. Add in some ice. And finally you can toss in your whiskey. Now stir it all up right in the glass. Be patient, it takes some time. Look at this cute thing I made. And that's it. A good old-fashioned should change a lot, so take it slow. Thanks everyone, drink well and stay safe.